Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make selective effect. For example, I have fixtures, but I have 6 on the back, 6 on the front, and 6 on the sides, left and right. If I select it and make an effect, for example, chaser, play it, and change blocks 6, we can see that our pictures goes like the back 6, 2 off from the front, then 6 on the front and side. We can change it very fast, like this. Select 6 of the back, 6 on the front, side, and those two make an effect. Start it. Blocks 6, please. And we can see that our chaser looks very good. You can make wings. Now it looks better.